Good morning, children. Today in maths class, we are going to learn the topic multiplication and division 2, long division. Let's start our lesson with a riddle. Divide 42 by this number and you will get 7. You have to guess the number. Can we check your answer for the riddle? 42 divided by 6 equals to 7. So your answer was 6. Lesson objective is to divide a two-digit number by a single-digit number using long division method. Now, tips to learn division vocabulary. This is our anchor chart. Here you will find dividend. The number which we divide is called the dividend. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. The result obtained is called the quotient, and if any number is left over is called the remainder. Now let's check some other ways of using vocabularies. 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. I hope now we all can guess which one is the dividend, which one is the divisor, and where is the quotient. Here, number 6 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor, and 3 is the quotient. Now let's take a single digit division. 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. Let's start doing by a long division method. Here 6 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor. Now in 3 times table, you have to find out when 6 comes. 2 times 3 equals to 6, or we can also say 3 times 2 equals to 6. Here you can see 3 times 2 equals to 6. Now 6 minus 6 is 0. Let's go for two-digit division. 56 divided by 2. Now in 2 times table, first we are going to go for number 5. 2 times 2 equals to 4. See here we are going to take 2 times 2 equals to 4. When we subtract 4 from 5, we get 1. And then we are going to take the 6 down, and 2 times 8 or 8 times 2 equals to 16. So 16 minus 16 is 0. Now it's time for an activity. Here we are going to do two digits division by a single digit where there are no remainders. Now here you can see 3 different division problems. I want you all to solve this using long division method on your whiteboards. Let's check your answers. The first problem was 35 divided by 5. 5 times 0 is 0. We get 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. And then we are going to take this 5 down. So 5 times 7 is 35. So we get remainder 0. The second problem is 18 divided by 3. In 3 times table, 3 times 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Then we are going to take this 8 down. 3 times 6 is 18. So 18 minus 18 is 0. The third problem is 20 divided by 4. 4 times 0 is 0. So 2 minus 0 comes 2. And then we are going to copy the 0 down. And 4 times 5 is 20. So our remainder is 0. Now the summary of our lesson is, what do you learn today? Yes, you are correct. We have learned long division method. How do you divide 21 by 3 using long division method? For this, again, I would request you to do it on your whiteboard. 21 divided by 3. Yes, your answer is correct. It's 7. We cannot divide 25 equally into 2. Why? You have to tell me, why can't we divide 25 equally into 2? The answer is, if we divide 25 by 2, the quotient is 12 and we will get 1 as a remainder. That is, 2 times 12 equals to 24. So we will get 1 as a remainder. Thank you, children.